What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Dave, and we got ourselves a nice little package just got in the mail. I'm gonna try to open it, unbox this with one hand, because we all know what it could be. Could be my hat that I ordered this weekend to match the jersey. Fresh open out of the box. Man, can you hear the excitement in the dark hole? I'm visualizing reaching in here. Boy, look how sexy this thing looks. Man, look how clean. Look how clean this bad boy is. Well, that's my unboxing of my miking hat that I got. Got it online. Got it within 3 days. Is good. Great. Look how clean. Peace. What's up, YouTube? This is the final product. Look at this. Yeah, look at that. Bam. Bam, look at that. Oh. Yeah, well, this is the final product. I usually like wearing it like this. Wife likes it a little bit like this. This bell needs a little work, a little straight. I mean, how do I wear it? Like this? Like this? Or maybe like this? I don't know. You tell me. But this is the miking hat. I have to say it's pretty damn good myself. Until next time, you guys stay strong and let's keep hitting bombs. And got me a little present for you. Oh yeah. And this is Thirsty Wednesday. See you guys later.